Hi everyone, this is the Comica CVM-V30 Lite shotgun microphone, and if you want to know more about it, then keep watching this video. Let's begin. Hi everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. So that's the Comica CVM-V30 Lite shotgun microphone. It's a relatively affordable microphone that you can buy for approximately $40. The polar pattern here is Super-Cardioid, which means it is a unidirectional microphone that picks most of the sound from the front, approximately 100 to 110 degrees, and it is sensitive to sound that comes from the back of the mic. The microphone is very light, especially considering its size, with a total weight of 52 grams. The measurements are 160 on 50.8 on 86 millimeters. Let's see what comes inside the package. So we have the microphone, plus some documents, a warranty card, and the user manual that you can find in the full review on my website. The microphone has a removable windscreen. Let's take it off. The frequency range is between 40 Hz to 20 kHz, and the output impedance is 2200 ohm. The microphone is attached to a non-separable protective mount that is quite elastic, but since the material is cheap plastic, I'm not sure how durable it is. At the bottom of the mount, it has a cold shoe adapter with a 1/4 inch threaded hole, so it can be placed, for example, on a tripod or a boom pole. At the back of the microphone is a built-in coiled output cable with a 3.5mm male connector that connects to the camera's microphone input. This switch sets the type of device that you're going to shoot the video with the microphone. The right side is for smartphones, and in this case it will be a good idea for you to use a camera rig to mount both the smartphone and microphone. Set the switch to the left if you're going to use the mic with normal cameras. What you see here is the Comica microphone on the right, and on the left is the Boya BY-N1 that I already reviewed and served me well for a long time. The Comica mic is cheaper, larger and lighter, while the Boya is bulkier, can be detached from its mount, and uses a different cable for cameras and smartphones. But the million-dollar question is, which microphone sounds better? Well, let's find out. So right now I'm doing a sound test using the Comica CVM-V30 Lite shotgun microphone. I'm standing approximately 1 meter away from the camera, so I hope it gives you a good indication how it sounds like. And I'm gonna move from side to side while talking and making noise. And I'm standing on the other side of the camera, and I'm gonna get closer to it so you can hear me talking quite close to the microphone itself. And I'm gonna move to the side of the camera so maybe you can notice if it takes sounds from the side, and I'm gonna go to the back of the camera so you can notice if it takes sound audio from the back of the camera. I'm talking very close from the back of the camera, and I'm gonna go back to stand in front of the camera. And I hope this gave you a good indication how the Comica CVM-V30 Lite sounds like. Okay, so right now I switched to the Boya BY-M1 shotgun microphone, which I already reviewed, and you can check the full review on my YouTube channel, Original Video Reviews, and my website, originalvideoreviews.com. And I think I also uploaded a sound test for this specific microphone, and I'm standing approximately 1 meter away from the camera and the microphone, and I'm moving from side to side, one side, and I'm walking to the other side, and I'm standing now next to the camera, and I'm getting closer to the microphone. I'm talking very closely now to the microphone, and I'm gonna switch to the back of the camera. I'm standing behind the camera, and I'm getting closer to the microphone from the back. So I hope it gives you a good indication how it sounds like. And I'm gonna go back to stand in front of the camera. So this was my sound test using the Boya BY-M1 shotgun microphone. So I switched back to the Comica CVM-V30 Lite shotgun microphone, and I hope this video gave you quite a good indication how this microphone sounds like compared to the Boya BY-M1 shotgun microphone. And I also used the Yeti Blue USB microphone for the voiceover parts. And while introducing both microphones, I also used a Ceremonic Wallace lavalier kit, so you have quite a good indication how this microphone sounds like compared to 3 other types of microphones. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review of the Comica CVM-V30 Lite shotgun microphone. For more details about it, check the full review on my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. You can find the link in the description to this video. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to give it a like. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channels, follow me on the other social networks, and visit my website originalvideoreviews.com. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye.